Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to the video. Today I want to talk about a poll I just did on my channel. If you want to go take the poll, it's in my community tab on my channel. But the main question is, what is your main VPN use case? So I got some interesting results here, some pretty cool results. It looks like the most popular option was to protect anonymity at home or on public Wi-Fi for 57%. So it looks like most people are using VPN to just stay anonymous on the web, protect information from ISP, perhaps from digital tracking and stuff like that. Overall, though, that is pretty cool to see that this is the most important thing for people using VPN. Now, I actually thought that one of the most popular options would probably be torrenting anonymously. A lot of people like to use VPN to download torrents and kind of do sketchy stuff like watch kind of free movies on Fire Stick and stuff like that, or free movies on their computer. But it looks like that isn't really a huge kind of use case here, or at least the primary use case. It looks like most people are doing anonymity kind of protection with VPN, which is what VPNs advertise as their main kind of use case anyway. Only 17% of people want to use VPN to unblock Netflix and geo restrictions. So these people are using VPN to get more access to content on Netflix for the US version. Let's say you're in UK, you could watch Hulu and stuff with a VPN that you wouldn't normally be able to. A pretty small percentage there, but still considerable. The top three are definitely the main bulk of the channel, which I would kind of expect them to be. Now, there are a little bit of people using VPNs to bypass some blocks. Some websites like Chat Roulette or some other websites can ban your IP, preventing you from accessing the website. And sometimes if you get a streaming IP or a dedicated IP or just even a shared anonymous IP from a VPN, you can actually bypass some of these restrictions and get around them and keep using the website even though you've been banned or something. So only 5% of the people really have been doing that. 2% of the people are unblocking restrictions at schools or corporate offices where you might not be able to access websites. With VPN and maybe some stealth VPN features that make VPN use hidden, you can actually watch maybe YouTube or access Reddit at work, which is kind of risky if you don't want to lose your job, but it looks like 2% of the people are doing it. Anyways, guys, I thought this was just interesting results, and let me know down in the comments down below if you didn't answer this poll what you use VPN for. What VPN cases. And thanks for checking out this video. I'll see you again on the next one very soon.